Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to embed YouTube video to your WordPress post, or to a page basically. So first of all, what you want to do is go ahead to YouTube and find a video you want to embed. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use one of my YouTube videos. I will copy the link of it, and now you go back to WordPress and go ahead to posts, all posts. You can of course add a new post, and for this video I'm just gonna use this post and click on edit, and right here you can always choose a block, but I'm just gonna paste this video right here, and as you can see it has been embedded. You can actually change it and edit this. Resize for smaller devices is on, some advanced settings and so on. But basically that's it guys, that's how you embed YouTube video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.